Good morning. How are you all? Welcome back to our online class. Today is 28th January 2021, Thursday. My Nasty Adventure. 6th, 7th student. We'll start with this poem. My Nasty. This is a beautiful poem. Read along with me. My Nasty Adventure. My plane was just about to crash. So I grabbed my bag and took out my big parachute to glide me down and land. At last I found a spot to land, but there was a big breeze, and so I had to painfully land on these sharp pine trees. His plane was about to crash, so he took out in aeroplanes what we have parachutes. So he took it out, blew it, and he wore that parachute so that he can safely come down. He'll not get hurt. He landed on, but he landed on trees. Which tree? That of sharp pine trees. I was fine, filled with bruises, as a pine fell on my ear. I sat down on the ground to rest. A thorn then poked me. I slept on the ground frantically. Mosquitoes bit my nose, bugs crept all over me and tickled my body. I scratched myself when I woke up, appearing like a fool. And after the whole thing, I thought I would rather go to school. Understood? He fell down, but he was not injured. He slept also on the ground, and mosquitoes and bugs tickled him in the body a little bit, and he fall or come down violently. Bruises, dark marks left on the skin when one has been hit. Breeze, a gentle wind. Poke, pushed a pointed object into something or someone, frantically, very anxiously. Bugs, small insects, tickled, touched lightly in a sensitive part of the body, causing laughter. Scratch, to cut or damage a surface with something sharp or rough. Next is a lesson. Learn how to climb trees. Many tigers roamed about in thick forests in Queen and Garhwal hills till the beginning of the 20th century. Jim Corbett is the author of the lesson. Writer is called author also. Was brought up in this region. He loved mountains, forests, and animals. He was an excellent shooter. He killed many man-eaters and saved the lives of countless people. Poor Singh was the first to visit me the day I was given my first gun. I was 8 then. He was only 8 years old. He was given gun to shoot an animal. He came early and put the old double-barrel gun into his hand with great pride. He laid the gun aside and said to me, "You are no longer a boy, but a man. And with this good gun, you can go anywhere you like in the jungles. And now never be afraid, provided you learn how to climb trees." It is an art to climb a tree, especially in the jungle where there are tigers and all the animals all around you. You know the art to climb the tree. Okay, you know animal will catch you. I'll now tell you a story to show how necessary it is for us who shoot in jungles to know how to climb trees. Harsi and I went to shoot one day last April. We started when the stars were paling. Since we found nothing to shoot, we started from home towards evening. While we were taking a sandy nulla that ran through the dense scrub and thorn bamboo jungle, a tiger was looking at us. They thought earlier there was nothing there, but a tiger came there. It stared at us for some time but went back. They were lucky enough, isn't it? We continued on our way and the tiger came out again, and it was growling and twitching its tail. We stood still, and luckily the tiger left the nulla. Being disturbed by the tiger, a number of jungle folk rose, cackling out of the dense scrub. One of them alighted on a branch, and Har Singh fired at it. The tiger came towards us. You see how scared they are, but still they are having courage enough to face the tiger. The tiger came towards us with a terrifying roar. I had climbed with a upper run tree, but Har Singh could not climb a tree as he had not learned to climb the tree when he was a boy. Restaurant. This poor Har Singh doesn't know how to climb him, and he was screaming, he was shouting with fear. Now I fired the gun off into the air. The tiger went away and Har Singh collapsed at the foot of the tree. I climbed down very silently. What happened? Har Singh was not able to climb the tree. He doesn't know. So he was just shouting with the tiger was screaming. He was scared. What did Jim Corbett was very smart. He shot a gun in the air. So tiger went away and has got scared and he collapsed there. Then Jim Corbett came down of the tree and helped out his friend. And went to Har Singh. I found that one of the tiger's claws had entered his stomach and torn the lining of his navel to within a few fingers breadth of the backbone. Tiger attacked him. He was hurt, but a little bit only. All his inside had fallen out. I would not know what to do. Har Singh told me to put his intestine back into his stomach. I stuffed them all back. Poor fellow got hurt. But along with the dry leaves, grass and twigs that stuck to him. Later I wound my pungri turban around his stomach and knitted it tight to keep everything from falling out again. So stupid fellow, they did not go to hospital doctors. They were far in the jungle till now. He was attacked by tiger, so they have a tight turban tied around his stomach so that he can intestine and all. It could will it heal up like this? No. But they are scared. They tied up and see what happens next. What do we do? We started for home walking 7 miles. So far, isn't it? They had to walk and go. I led the way and Har Singh followed me. Holding the pangri in position, Har Singh told me that he wanted to meet the doctor. We walked for the extra 3 miles to the hospital. It was night and the hospital was closed. Bad luck, poor fellow. But the Dr. Babu, who lived nearby, was awake. Now they managed to get one doctor there. He asked me to call Aladia, the tobacco seller. When I returned, the doctor had laid Har Singh on a string bed. His operation or treatment started at least. Aladia held a lantern. Earlier there was lanterns. Emergency light, no sophisticated torchlights, flashlights of your mobiles. There was lantern. Where there was no current, so in the evenings there was hardly any bulb on earth. One or two. Very big thing it was. And I held the two pieces of flesh together. The doctor was very kind. He sewed up the holes in Har Singh's stomach. I offered him 2 rupees. How many did he give the doctor to do this operation? Only 2 rupees. But he refused to take it. That also his doctor did not take. When he went home, the women folk were crying. Everyone was worried in his home and bravery. He was now okay. Understood that. Let's see meanings glossary part of the lesson. Pairing appearing less bright. Mula, nulla, water course, especially a dry one. Scrub, an area of dry land covered with small bushes and trees. Cackling, making a loud, unpleasant noise. Collapse, fall down suddenly because of loss of strength or support. Sweet, sued, to join or attach something using a needle. Children, what do you think is the main reason for the tiger's attack on Har Singh? What kind of person was the doctor? Justify your answer and send me your homeworks by evening 5:30 or 6. Understood, children? Thank you. See you in next class. Assalamualaikum.